Here we have Alexa. Alexa is 8 years old. Today we're going to talk about how we can improve her butterfly technique. Common in young swimmers, but not terribly wrong, is the head position coming out a little too high on the breaths. So right here you'll see the swimmer come up and you can almost see her chest coming out of the water. Try to keep that head position low, and like I said, for young swimmers, it's okay. It's not the end of the world. It's more important that they get the breath so they don't feel like they're dragging their elbows through the water. So I might even say I kind of like this right now for her technique, especially because it helps her hands come so high out of the water instead of dragging forward. Right here, I really like the timing of your butterfly. The hands coming underneath your chest at the right time. You're picking your head up to breathe at the right time. Pretty soon here though, you're gonna start to get a little bit caught. What I mean by that is you're not pausing your hands out front long enough for a second kick, or you're just not coming up soon enough for your breath. And you'll notice you'll pause down here at the bottom and kind of get stuck lifting your hands and your head up simultaneously. That is not a very efficient way to swim butterfly. It could get exhausting very quickly. All in all, this is a very good butterfly for an 8-year-old. I'm very impressed. And she is definitely going to win some races with this technique.
Well, Rocketeers, that's all I have for you today. If you're interested in your own private lessons in person or online, then head over to our website. Follow us over on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and support the channel by contributing to our Patreon. Links are in the description below. We give out a t-shirt on each platform every month. If you found this video helpful, splash that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you want to be the first to see these videos as soon as they're published, then turn on the bell notifications. If you practice it, let us know how it goes in the comments. We'll respond to everyone. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Now get ready to rock it.